Now today, I will be showing you 5 websites where you can earn legit cash from. So stay tuned because the last website in this video will be paying a good amount of dollars, so don't miss out on that. Now without wasting much time, let's dive in. The first website in our list is Prolific. Now just like other survey websites, you get paid little cents for each survey you complete, which will not even be able to afford a bottle of water, but Prolific is not one of them. Prolific is a research company that will pay you to take surveys based on research studies by various universities. This company is ready to pay you because information's gathered on this websites from our surveys helps researchers to advance in various fields that will help the advancement of human knowledge. By using this website just from the comfort of your home, you will be getting paid from $6 to $12 as an average user for every task you complete. It's great, right? Because your answers actually contributes towards a good cause and you don't have to leave your home. Just by the comfort of your home. And it's not like other websites where they pay you little cents or nothing at all. Now to get started, go over to prolific.com and sign up for free to start making money. Now the second website in our list is the KashKick website. Now go over to kashkick.com, then sign up using your Gmail or Google account or Facebook account. In KashKick, you can also sign up with your PayPal account. KashKick has one of the highest PayPal offers. In KashKick, you get paid for answering surveys, installing apps, and playing games. For completing a survey in KashKick, you get from a few cents to $1. Know that the amount they pay you to complete a survey is based on your location. For installing apps and playing games, you can get paid anywhere from $3 to $300 for any app you download or any game you play. Now head over to kashkick.com using the link you will find in the description of this video and sign up. As soon as you sign up, you get $1 as a sign-up bonus and you just need to make it up to $10 to be able to withdraw. This means $10 is the minimum withdrawal amount for this website. The only problem with this website is it is only available in the United States, but don't worry. You can use an alternative website which is gamecash.gg. I will leave a link in the description of this video where I talked about gamecash.gg. Now before we go into the third website in our list, are you looking for a specific type of online money-making opportunity? Let us know in the comment section. Now let's get back to our video. The third website in our list is Surveo. Just from the name of this website, I know you can guess what it's all about. In Surveo, you can earn up to $9 per survey. The cool thing about this website is that they pay you through PayPal gift cards, like Amazon. And for those of you in countries where PayPal is restricted, Surveo will pay you directly into your bank account. Surveo is available in over 158 countries around the world. But for our future videos, comment down your country's name so I can make more relevant videos for you. Now just click on the link in the description to sign up in Surveo.com. The fourth app on our list is Gamee. Here you play to earn money. You can also install the app into your smartphone. The good thing is Gamee is available on both Android and iOS. You can also earn through their affiliate. Refer one person and get 10 cents. Here you can find games that will pay you over $50. Now you are thinking these websites you have seen are easy to make money. The next websites in our list are even more simple and easy to make money. Now the fifth website is Listverse. You are going to be creating lists that can be about anything, sir. Just like the ones you are seeing here. Once you create your list, you submit it to Listverse. If it's something interesting enough, Listverse will pay you. Each list you create, and it's been accepted by Listverse, they will pay you $100. So you don't need to come up with an essay or anything complicated. You just create a list, submit it here and get paid. What's cool about this website is you don't need to have any writing skills. You can just use the power of artificial intelligence with tools like ChatGPT and the rest to come up with a nice list for Listverse. If Listverse accept 2 of your lists per week to go up on the website, you are getting paid $200 each week, which will equal $800 per month without you stressing. A little known fact. Did you know that you can earn money by selling your receipts? Some companies like Fetch Rewards and Ibotta pay users for uploading receipts from various purchases. These companies use the receipt data to provide insights to retailers and brands, and they share some of the revenue with users. Now you have known that, keep all your receipts stored. The last website in our list is Clickbank. This is a site where people like you and I sign up for free and start promoting digital products online to audience. You don't need to have money, skills, knowledge, or CVs to join this website. Here where you sign up, choose a product to promote. Get the link. When someone purchases that product through your affiliate link, you get 70% commission. So if a product you are promoting to the audience is worth $200 and 7 people buys that product, your commission will be 70% of 200, which is 140, times 7, which is $980, just from that product alone. Sign up with Clickbank and start making money. Now, if you want us to make a video that will only talk about website, that will pay you for surveys, or website that will pay you for doing simple tasks like Listverse, or even website that are excellent for affiliate marketing, just like Clickbank, comment down the particular type of video you want us to make. If this video was helpful, do well to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.